Most founders tell me the same thing: my team just isn't performing. And if you ever said that, I get it. You start with enthusiasm, you hire smart people, but after a few months, you find yourself chasing them for updates, double checking follow ups, and feeling like the only one who actually cares about the numbers. So you start micromanaging, not because you want to, but because you have no choice. And over time, the more you chase, the less they own. And here's the hard truth: people don't stay motivated because of pressure, they stay motivated because of clarity. When your system defines what success looks like, when it measures progress transparently and rewards consistency, motivation becomes self driven. Micromanagement is just a symptom, lack of structure is the cause. Over the years, I've seen how easily motivation fades when everything depends on reminders. Even the best salespeople lose rhythm if there's no visible structure holding the team together. So we built something different, a rhythm everyone could trust. Simple weekly reviews that focus on actions, not excuses. Dashboards that make performance visible to everyone, not hidden in a spreadsheet. And incentives that reward consistency as much as results. Once that system came in, it created momentum. People began to compete with their own progress, not my supervision. The best teams don't need constant supervision, they need meaningful feedback and visible impact. When people can see how their effort moves the business forward, they find pride in the process. That's when culture becomes sustainable, not because the founder is watching, but because everyone is accountable to the same rhythm. So the next time you feel like your team isn't performing, don't start with more control. Start with more clarity. Because when systems inspire ownership, motivation becomes automatic. And that's what we help founders build, not just sales system, but self-driven teams. Thanks for watching.